In discussing reason number 2, we asked the question, could another reason for all the encryption and secrecy be at least partially discovered in the appreciation of another encrypted message hiding in plain sight? This Masonic square, as they call it, Masonic square, even though this device is called the Carpenter square, whatever. But, the Masonic square is formed as a result of the intersection of a compass, which is used, which draws circles on top, above, resides hermetically above, The Hermeticists say above and below. This device, the compass, is used to draw circles. The circle above, directionally, metaphysically, from the third dimension, and below, the equilateral triangle. You're not going to draw an equilateral triangle with a compass. You're going to draw a circle with a compass, an equilateral triangle with this square device. Look like an angled ruler. But anyway, call it the angled ruler. Okay. This device is used to draw equilateral triangles below. And this is used to draw circles. So, anyway, is this and the G? What do you think? Geometry, possibly. And so, these Hermeticists, these friggin' Hermeticists, look at this guy. That's a Hermeticist. Looks like the Pope. So, and Hermeticism was the leading ancient Greco-Roman spiritual philosophy, political elitist spiritual philosophy. And does it have anything to do with how Hermeticists identify the metaphysical dualistic, opposite, and opposing bipolar forces of our respective and collective universe as above in the circle? This draws circles, sitting above the dang square. The square is made up of the intersection of these two instruments. Does it have anything to do with the device that uses the compass that uses to draw circles, sits above the Masonic square? And within Hermeticism, this above, the word, it represents God and or the creator of the universe. And the only thing they identify as being capable of being good in the universe, and below, as the equilateral triangle, you're going to use this device that they say, possibly represents the physical realm and the spiritual realm, hiding in plain sight, just because they're so lovely and clever and wonderful, that Hermeticism sees humanity as below. They see God, the only thing capable, this is what the Hermeticists believe, the only thing capable of being good in the universe is God. And everything else by default is below, including humans. They can intermingle with demons or whatever, doesn't matter, because it's of the flesh, of the physical realm. They're not expected to be good because the power of the flesh. That's what Hermeticists believe. Quite extreme. But good for them, right? And anyway, that's how they feel. And does it have anything to do with how and why history, as it's taught to us through our foundational educational system in the West, has generally written Hermeticism out of the informational stream of which we depend on to best understand what the ancients figured out? Or did Hermeticism just slowly over time slip into the shadows of the various elitist secretive societies to be of knowledge and perspective solely intended for their own pleasures as they saw fit?